Y'all, welcome back to another trade recap. I'm just going through all of them today. Well, it's the same day, just different videos. I think there's like 4 or 5 all recorded today. I just decided to get them out of the way. Next week, I'm starting fresh. Real trades, real recap. When I get to 50 subscribers, I can go live. Make my work way 10 times easier. Okay, so basically, this is, if I'm not mistaken, the first ever futures trade I took. The first ever futures trade I took. Now, mind you, at the time I was still learning. I'm still learning how to trade, but I was learning how to trade the forex market. So I was waking up Asian sessions to catch London and all that. But that's until I learned that in the futures market, like stocks, the big bank size bosses is the New York Stock Exchange Open, which is around like London to New York session. That's when they tend to play. So, but yeah, I woke up Asian session as usual to trade London session, and basically on market open there was a huge imbalance, and I was like, yo, what is that imbalance telling me? That imbalance is telling me that market probably wants to go up, but it simply can't. So imbalance happens, market filled in that gap, and then I was like, all right, I gotta hop on the train. See, this is where market catches most traders, because look, most traders, they're gonna be greedy. They're gonna want to hold on to that long position and just keep going. But me, I'm settled. I go for 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Most I go for is 1 to 4. I'm realistic with myself here. So basically, this is what happened. And I don't just go for these things, but I look for key areas of interest. And right then, my key area of interest was London session. I mean, was New York AM highs. So New York PM high had basically already been cleared when I was entering the trade, so I was looking for New York AM highs. So I entered the long, put my stop loss below a draw on liquidity. I believe that's what it's called. I don't know what that little pointy thing right there is called. But put my stop loss right below there. In case you're wondering what I'm looking at the chart on a different phone, because I can't like look at it while recording for some reason. But yeah, entered the trade and just like went off on that baby, and then got stuck, cleared the New York AM highs, took myself out of the trade. Beautiful. We have the liquidity sweep, London liquidity sweep, and then price action continues to rise just like that. Well, until news, and then that caused the crash. But yeah, that's basically the trade I took. Anyways, I'm gonna see y'all later. Make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to get to 50 subs so I can live stream on YouTube. And yeah, that's basically it. Also, I don't know if you can tell, but my room color is different because I got an LED lamp. Yes, sir. Join the Discord down in my bio. Let's get to 50 subs. Let's go, baby.